Hello everyone and welcome again to a Meals for Athletes video. Today we're going to be doing a dairy-free berry and vanilla protein smoothie. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and get alerts so you can stay on top of all of our useful content. The first step is to measure out the berries and fruit you want to put in. For this smoothie we put in a cup of strawberries, a half cup of raspberries, and a quarter cup of blueberries. Next, you're going to want to add 1/2 cup of almond milk. We then added 3 scoops of our favorite yogurt brand. And then next we added 1 scoop of protein powder. Lastly, you're going to add just a little bit more almond milk to make sure that the smoothie can blend well. Keep blending until you get a nice, creamy texture. And now you have a perfect smoothie on the go right off to practice. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you next time for another Meals for Athletes.